If you recognize these lines, then nothing has changed for USD JPY. Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY, US dollar Japanese yen for Monday, 24th May. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. And if you're a complete beginner, you have no idea about the functioning of the market, and I have uploaded few videos in my YouTube channel. You'll find these 32 videos in the Forex and Stock Learning course for beginners playlist. This is a playlist, but I have arranged these videos in the form of a course so that you can learn fast and you get the basic idea about the functioning of the chart and the market. Okay, so that you get to understand these patterns and all. Okay, and you'll get the basic idea. Okay, so this is the main intention of uploading this 32 videos. And apart from that, if you're interested in learning from me one-to-one, then you can go to my website avilashjaga.com/workshop and visit this page. You'll get the required details and my contact details as well. So let's jump to the USD JPY chart. So this is the chart. Okay, this is the chart of USD JPY, and as you can see, market is in downtrend, and after the market tried to go up, face resistance at this particular level. Okay, and market is still struggling to cross this particular level. On the downside, we have a support also. We have this support level as well. Okay, so 109.72 on the upside and 108.31 on the downside. This is the range we have right now for USD JPY. Okay, I would like to take you to the weekly time frame, and if you have watched my previous videos or any videos of me, then you know pretty well that I'm a big fan of multi-time frame analysis. Okay. So our multi-time frame analysis tells us that, okay, each candle represents 1 week. So in the weekly time frame, we can easily see that there is a resistance here. Okay, there is a resistance here, and market is trying to cross this resistance for a long time, for at least 4 to 5 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, market is trying to cross this resistance for 6 weeks, and market is unable to cross the level. This means that, okay, this means that this this level looks so simple. Okay, but this level is not that simple. Market is trying to cross this particular level for 5 to 6 weeks. Means that sellers are present in this level. Okay, try to understand the market psychology here. It means that sellers are present in this level who are not allowing the market to cross this level. Therefore, what should be a strategy then? Okay, so uh as you can see here, right now market is trading at 108.31, so 108.91. Okay, this is the current market price. And as I always say, we should always look for the area of value so that our risk to reward ratio matches. And as I always say, do not compromise with the trading discipline. Do not compromise with the trading discipline at any cost. So right now you can see that this is kind of in the middle. Okay, so our risk to reward ratio does not match. Okay, because if we go ahead and buy here, our stop loss will be here because we have a support here. So if our stop loss is here, this risk is too much, and if we short the market here, our stop loss will be here. Thus this gap is too much. Therefore the market is in middle. So if you want to trade, then you will be going against the discipline. Do not trade, wait for the perfect opportunity here. Okay, right now market is in middle. Let it be. Okay, let it be. Do not chase the market. Let the price come to you. So what should be a strategy then? Strategy is simple. Wait for the market. Okay, either to go up to this level or come down to this level. If market comes and hit this particular level, 108.31 level, then just observe the price. Okay, just observe the price and see how the price is doing, how the price is reacting. If you see that price is about to bounce back from this level, then you'll get a confirmation that yes, this is a valid support, because this level has provided support to the market price. So this level is still a valid support to the market, and you can go for a buy here. On the other hand, if market crosses this level, do not short the market. I'll tell you later what you need to do. Okay, I'll tell you on Monday or Tuesday. Okay, I'll tell you what you need to do. As of now, just understand, if market crosses this level or bounces back, then you can go for a buy order. On the other hand, if market goes up from here and hit the resistance level 109.71 level, your duty, again your duty will be to observe the price. If you see that price is struggling near the resistance, price is trembling, price is scared, oh my god, sellers are there. If you see such kind of a scenario, then you'll get a confirmation that yes, sellers are still present in the market and they will not allow the market to go up that easily. Once market reverses from this level 109.71 level, you can short the market. This is the simple strategy for USD JPY as of now. Buy here, buy at the support or and sell at the resistance. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care.